up, y'all? It's your girl Coco Nicole, and I'm back with another hair video. So I have received 4 bundles of the Afro Kinky human hair from EXYHAIR, you guys, and I got it in the number 27, and I'm going to use it to achieve Afro twists. But first, I wanted to show you guys the hair up close and personal. It definitely closely mimics African American type 4 hair, and the bundles are plentiful. They give you plenty of hair, and I like how it stretches, and I like the curl pattern and everything. So I did soak the hair and air dried it overnight. As you can see, it got a little bit of puffy, so you may want to skip that step. But anywho, I had used my braid rack to section off about 1 inch of the braiding hair. This will help me with the twisting process. It'll help make it faster. And I had also sectioned off my hair. I had washed and dried my hair, and then I had sectioned it off. And I'm going to split each of these sections into 2. I will show you guys this a little bit later. And this is the product that I had used. It was pretty good too. So after I had did a few twists, you guys, because your girl has not done twists or braids in a while, I wanted to show you guys the process and everything. So I'm adding some of that gel to my roots, and then I'm going to use a edge brush to smooth it into my hair. And then I'm going to separate my hair into 3 different legs. So I'm going to do like a braid, like a few rotations, and then I am going to add in some of that Afro hair. So I'm going to do a few more rotations, and then I'm going to add in another piece. So I think I had added in 3 pieces to each twist, and that gave me that nice like medium size and everything. So I'm going to do a few more rotations, and then I'm adding in that 3rd piece, you guys. And I am going to do a few more rotations to secure the hair with my hair. And now I'm splitting it off into 2. So that's my hair and the extensions, and then I'm just going to twist it all the way down. And I did find that twisting is a lot easier than braiding. Like my hands weren't hurting or anything. And I didn't add anything except for like the braid gel. I added like the braid gel to help smooth my hair with the braiding hair, but I didn't add anything to the end. So I had simply just twisted it all the way down, and it stayed together. So that is one of the quadrants done. And then I don't think I showed this, but I did trim the ends and everything. So okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys like how I had split off those sections that I had made. So I'm just gonna split it into 2. So it's gonna be 2 rows, and then I'm adding in some of that braid gel to my part to help make it a little bit neater. But oh my goodness, it is so hard trying to part your own hair, especially in the back, you guys. So I knew that it wasn't going to look perfect, because who cares? So I'm just showing you guys that process again and everything of me doing the twist. So if you already know how to do braids, then you should be fine with this style. But you will also have to know the feed in technique. So that's what I'm doing when I'm adding in that human braiding hair. So you will have to know how to do that. So I had started maybe like 11 something on a Saturday, and maybe like 11:12 I had sectioned off my hair. That took maybe like 30 minutes. And then I had started twisting and doing my hair maybe like 12 something. And I had, taken breaks. I took a few breaks. I took a lunch break. So I would say that like it was still light when I was done. So I was done maybe around like 7 something. But you have to take into account that I was recording and everything. So I don't think that that's too bad. I mean, it didn't. I thought it was gonna take me longer, so it wasn't that bad. And the hair did pretty well. I was pleased with the hair. I was pleased with the texture and the appearance. It was pretty easy to work with, and I liked the color. I thought that it was really pretty color. They also offer this hair in black if you don't want to do the blonde. And I'm just twisting the hair all the way down and showing you guys like what that looks like a little bit more. So you guys, I am on that very last braid. As you guys can see, I am pretty much done. And yes, your girl was definitely happy because it had taken me a while, as I was telling you guys earlier. But yes, you're gonna see me sigh in a minute like, whoo, child, we are about done. But like I said, I'm really pleased with how it had looked and everything. Also, the hair is lightweight, you guys. So the hair is not heavy at all, because I was worried about that, but it is not. It's very light. So I had tried to add some curls to the end of the hair, but the curls didn't take. I don't know if it's because the hair is human. If you guys know, let me know down below. But it did, however, like straighten out the ends, because I had clipped them. Like I said, like I was telling you guys earlier, I didn't show this, but I clipped them, but I felt like it had straightened them out. So this is the completed look, you guys. This is totally the next day. Your girl had to rest after all of that twisting, but it came out very beautiful. I like the length. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but the hair is 10 inches, you guys. And now I'm going to show you guys 5 different looks that you can style your Afro twists. So this is the first one. This is a cute, simple half up, half down. I left a few bangs out in the front and it looks really cute, really girly. And this next one is really easy and simple to achieve. I just did a simple side swept kind of look, like a deep side part. If you guys are into side parts. And then this is one of my favorites. This is a top knot. This is one of my favorites. So I just made a ponytail and then I had twisted it around. I didn't have to use a bobby pin or anything, and I thought this was super cute. So definitely gonna rock this look. So this next one is probably gonna be like my favorite because I love space buns. This is girly, cute for like festival. Love the vibes. And this last look is going to be a look that's good for professional settings, like for work, interviews, or church. This is a low half up, half down. So that's it for this video, you guys. I'm going to put a discount code and a link to the hair down below. So let me know what you guys think. And until next time, you guys, take care.